Hi everybody, thanks so much for coming back to the channel. I'm so excited today. I have been standing by the front door and I finally have my Causebox. I'm so excited. I feel like I've been seeing everybody post theirs and I hadn't gotten mine yet. Here it is. And I got a lovely pink box. She's pretty. They work with an artist each season, and this is just a gorgeous box. I will keep it to keep all my goodies in. Sometimes I tuck things away for gifts, and these usually fit nicely under my sofa. So, okay, so all I have done is, I think I got all the tape. Untape the bottom. Yep. All right, let's see what she looks like on the inside. Oh, so pretty. It says Causebox, and you might not get this unless you're older like me, but this looks like an old Laura Ashley print. It's so pretty. And the little sticker that's made the same as the artwork to hold the tissue paper together. It's all the little touches that make this box so great. In case you don't know, Causebox is a seasonal box. It comes spring, summer, fall, and winter. And it's $54.95 unless you sign up annually, and then it goes to $49.95. And if you are an annual subscriber, you can pick the colors that you receive. I think this season there were 3 choices you had, and I'll let you know as we get to those. I didn't make any of the choices this season. I couldn't decide, so I thought, you know what? I'll let the fates decide. I like them all so very much. This is the pamphlet that comes with it, and it talks about good news. And the beauty of this box is that not only is it excellent product, but it's products from companies that do good, that give back in some way to their community, to their employees. A lot of them donate money to women's education, that kind of thing. There's one item in here this month that what that company is doing is planting trees to give back to the area that the California fires took so much of last year. So, all right, we'll get into it and see what we've got. I'm so excited. You know, you try not to rip it because they do such a great job of making it look so pretty. And the very first thing I have on top is the portfolio. I know what a lot of these products are because as they announced their spoilers, I actually did spoiler videos on my channel. So I know what all of these items are, but it's still great to finally hold them and see them. This is a Glass Ladder & Company portfolio. We'll see what I remember from those spoilers. I got it in pink. You could have gotten it in pink, cloud gray, or black. And I just couldn't decide. There were good things about all of it. But you open it up, and it has a pocket right there. It's got 2 little snaps, so I guess as it gets full, you can lift it. That's kind of great. The hardware is rose gold. And it's nice and heavy. It's a vegan leather because they wouldn't use real leather there. That's not what they do. So it has a pocket up here that they said would hold a 13-inch laptop. I don't have a 13-inch laptop, but it will hold my tablet. And then 4 smaller pockets. A place for your credit cards and your pens. And so and you're on the go. It's so pretty. I like it so much. I've been trying to decide what I would keep in it. I'm thinking all of my YouTube stuff so it looks official. Slip it back in its protective sleeve because I can be trusted when I do these unboxings. I start flinging stuff everywhere. Okay, let's see what's next. Oh, very cool. This is what I was leaning towards, so I'm so glad I got it. Next is it's a small bracelet by Maria de Bucci. You could have either gotten this or Moon and Stars, and this is actually the one that I wanted, so I'm really pleased to have gotten it. It's a gold tone bracelet. It's really delicate, but that's in these days. So I hear, like I know everything that's in. Don't know if I can manage to get this on myself, but let's give it a try. It's so pretty. I did get it on. I can't get it sized. I took the first little hole in the back that I came across, so it's a little big for me, but that's good. I have probably a very average size wrist. Like, I think the bracelets I buy are like 7 1/4 or something, but that's what it is. It's just a sweet little key. Oh, sweet. Let's see what the book says about it. Glasses. Perfect. Luxe gold plated bracelet. And like I said, you could have gotten it in, and it can be the one that I received, which is Unlock Your Dreams, or the moon and stars. And the good her company does is she's committed to supporting the goal of eradicating human trafficking. So that's always a good goal. This is really pretty. I'm so pleased. Okay, what's next? I have a pretty scarf. This is another choice that I couldn't make. This is by Cleo Bella, and it came in pink, which was kind of a dusty pink, a striped blue. Let me find a picture for you. Or this that I got, which is the marigold. And it would have been one of those. It's very pretty. And I got it in the marigold. And it is a large, oh, it's very pretty. I love the vintage look of this marigold one. This is just so pretty. It's considered, it's vegan silk, which is probably polyester if I were guessing. But it's 33 inches square, I think they said. That's pretty. It's probably not the exact color I would have picked for me. I don't think I'll wear it as a scarf, but it would be a pretty, I have no idea what's happening here. It would be pretty as a kerchief of some sort. Or what I was thinking is I will probably wrap it this summer because it's such a summery print. I will probably wrap it around the handle of one of my purses and use it as a decoration on my bag. So I'm gonna put my glasses on because we both know I can't see anything. Okay, next we have the Wild Konjac or Cognac. I don't know, let me know below. Facial cleansing sponge infused with French pink clay. That's really cool. I have used a plain, I'm going to say konjac, but probably depends on where it's made, sponge before with cleanser and have liked it. So this will be interesting. It doesn't have much of a smell, and it's just a little spongy sponge that comes on a string. And I know, because like I said, I had a plain one, it is super hard right now. But when you get it wet and you squeeze it, it gets really soft and almost, I want to say almost like a jelly feel to it. It gets slick, for lack of a better word. Mine got, it had a slick feel to it. It was really interesting. It's 100% natural, biodegradable, pH balanced. There's no fragrance, no chemicals, no preservatives. It is vegan and cruelty free. So that's a neat item to have. Next we have Cosmetics Glow Bamboo Brightening Mask. So that's neat. Let's take it out. And it says, the brightening mask helps remove dead surface cells for optimal absorption of brightening ingredients that help reduce the appearance of discoloration, uneven skin tone, and roughness for visibly smoother, brighter, and luminous looking skin. That all sounds good. Let's see if it has a safety seal. I'm not going to take it off because I have a million. It does. I have a million masks going right now. I know you know what I mean. Okay, next we have from Allure, and this is the one that company that I was telling you about that is planting the trees in California to reforest the parts burned down. It is a macrame plant hanger. I am not even going to take it out of here because I'm going to use one of the words the kids use these days because that's what old people say apparently. The kids use. I'm triggered. I am a child of the 70s. Maybe late 70s. But this was a thing. And it's still very 1970s for me. And I'll find pictures to show you. It's for hanging a plant, or if you have a bowl, you could use it to hang a bowl. Yeah, perfect. Or something like that. But first of all, it takes something to hang it from, and I'm not putting a hole up into my ceiling to hang this little macrame piece from. But it's very pretty, and I promise you I will find it a home with someone who appreciates it and is not triggered by the 1970s. But it's really a nice product. And I like that it's unique. So they get bonus points for unique. They get 2 taken away for triggering me. Okay, I've overused the word now, which is what we do, right? Next we have, I was trying to get it on the bag and be subtle about it, but that's not going to happen. Next we have Mist Congeniality Rose Water Hydra Mist with rose, aloe, chamomile, and witch hazel. 100% naturally derived, 79% organic. kind of want to know what the other 21% is that's not organic. It's really neat though. It says, every bottle helps to educate, empower, and liberate girls around the world. That's very cool. It provides immediate hydration while improving overall skin tone. Rose, aloe, and chamomile work synergistically to assist the healing process of skin, perfect for all skin types. Its congeniality generates skin plumping moisture for revived and glowing skin. Well, you know what? If I'm not risking it by spraying something on my face, what's the point? With a full face of makeup. Oh, it's pretty. Smells like rose, and every time I spray rose in one of these videos that I have, I say, oh, it reminds me of my Grammy. She liked rose things. Anyway, this is a toner, so it'll be great for after cleansing, just to brighten up. It's just a rose scent, so I don't think it's anything that's going to be a problem for my red face, but I will for sure get back to you on that. What is next? Next, and I think last, yes, next and last, we have the Bamboo Lyocell Eye Mask by Attitude. And it comes in a nice bag, which I had said, Jamie Johnson unboxed hers the other day. And she said, oh, I'll keep the bag to store it in. And I thought, genius idea, because I do all of these unboxings and I open things up and I take the lovely things out and I chuck the bags as trash. And I will probably use this more in travel than I do at home. Like we're going to Disney World in a few months, and this will be perfect for that. It came in several colors. I got it in white, which I don't mind at all. It's for sleeping, so. But these are the colors that it could have come in. And one of the good things they focus on is actually using the bamboo. They say that the good qualities of fabric is just half the story. Bamboo lyocell is one of the most sustainable textile materials of the 21st century, and producing it requires 1/10 as much water as conventional cotton. So that's interesting, and it is super soft. So let's, now that I've made my face wet, put this, yep, it's gonna fit just fine. So that's really cool. That was an interesting assortment of product. So that's the beauty of Causebox. It's a lifestyle box. So you get different things like an eye sleeping mask and a rose mist toner and the cosmetics brightening mask and the wild cognac. I mean, cognac has a whole different, but it's spelled differently. And the wild cognac sponge and the lovely macrame plant / bowl hanger for your lifestyle. And then this beautiful vegan silk scarf that is just, it's just so pretty. I can't tell you how silky it is. It's very silky. And this lovely portfolio that I have already put back in its handy dandy dust jacket. So that's what you get for your either $49.95 if you're an annual member or $59.95 if you are not. And I think the spring box is still available. I don't believe I've heard word that it has sold out yet, but it always does sell out. I don't think I've ever heard of a Causebox not selling out. So if you have any interest in it, you want to do it sooner than later. And the beauty of being that's what I was going to tell you. The beauty of being an annual member is you could pick whether you wanted this in the pink, the cloud gray, or the black, whether you wanted this in this marigold, the pink, or the blue. And, oh, right, we didn't talk about it at the end. And this bracelet, you could decide whether you wanted it in that pretty Unlock Your Dreams or the Moon and Stars. Those were the decisions that you got to make this season if you were an annual subscriber. So does that sound like a box you'd be interested in? Let me know below what you think of getting such a different variety of products that just aren't all makeup for a change. All right, guys, that is it for this box. Thank you so much for coming by. Let me know below what you think of this variety of products and if it's a little too out there with the macrame and the eye mask. And please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. When I do more unboxings, you'll be the first to know. And I will see you all very soon. Bye.